Dear students, just you see, we are discussing about the NEET 2026 paper analysis. So in this paper, just to go through this one, JEE previous year questions, JEE mains 26 questions are given. So NEET PYQ 5 questions are given, NCRT lines, there is a NCRT book lines, 5 questions are was given. NCRT exercise 5 questions, NCRT solved examples. One question, NCRT exemplar, one question, NC 1 mark. So one question on the IIT advanced concepts, from concept questions, one question was given here. So from this analysis, so what we observed, actually that so some unavailable conditions, re-NEET exam was going to conduct here. So I think that it may be take more than 1 month. So during this 1 month, so you don't be panic here. So we are going to start exclusively physics for a NEET target minimum 100 marks. So we are going to do the assurance program. So in this program, we are going to discuss clearly. So revision in each and every revision. So that is a revision. So each and every concepts, each and every topic, revision process, that is for physics, we are going to start. So we are going to give the assurance, that is a minimum 100 marks, minimum 100 marks. So for that, we are going to give the assurance as well as we are going to help you till NEET re-exam, So in this every concepts and every topic, along with we are going to conduct the exams. Okay, we are going to conduct the exam. So for all the subjects exam also we will conduct the exam for all subjects like so bio, next physics and chemistry. Now, if you go through the topics, what we observed, most of the students, so where they failed to score good marks in particularly physics, because of a lengthy paper, like in bio, more statement questions as well as a matching type of questions, whereas in chemistry also, more number of statement as well as a matching type of questions was given here. In physical chemistry, some of the students, so while solving the problems, particularly multiplication, divisions, and in decimal places type of questions also was given here. So in that, the students are unable to solve some of the questions. Due to that, they are unable to manage the time. Particularly, even most of the students are unable to read all 45 questions. So they are unable to read all 45 questions because of lack of time. They spend the more time in biology and chemistry. Now I am going to discuss in future in these classes, so how to solve minimum 25 to 30 questions in a very less time. So if the students are very good, he has the solving capacity in a very less time in calculations, how to manage, how to tricky concepts, and in a very less time how to solve the numericals like multiplication, divisions and decimal type questions. Particularly in modern physics, some of the questions in other chapters also, the questions was very lengthy and a very tricky type of questions. So how to solve within 4 to 5 seconds, that I will show you in this program. So all the best students.